Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the January 2023 HipKits. Today I create a layout using elements from the Pocket Life kit and the Pocket Life dice and combine them with goodies from the other kits. First I cut apart the pages with the Pocket Life cards and the word strips. Then I use the Pocket Life metal dies to cut out the tags, labels and other printed items. I recommend to use washi tape to keep the die in place before you run it through your cutting machine. One of my favorite items from the January kits is the pack with envelopes in different sizes, which you can find in the January embellishment kit. I use some of them to insert my photos and then decorate them. I choose the 3 large envelopes, fold them, glue them together with double-sided adhesive tape and add my photos. I can embellish the envelopes. For the first one I choose pink twine, wind it around the envelope and add some pearls. I also add one of the chipboard shape stickers, which are included in the January embellishment kit. Then I pick out some of the Pocket Life die cuts and word strips in pink, green and blue, more chipboard shape stickers and one of the chipboard words and phrases stickers, which you can find in the January main kit, and embellish the other envelopes. choose one of the frames from the January 2023 Frames and Flair metal die set and cut frames from the Stories We Tell It Will Be a Bestseller paper, the Send Me a Letter paper, and the Essential Solid Blossom cardstock. And I used the January 2023 line texture die and cut it 3 times from white cardstock. Then I layer each envelope with a frame and a line texture die cut. I pierce 3 holes on top and bottom of my layout, set eyelets and add thread. I place my photos and add some pocket life die cuts combined with floral ephemera, which are included in the January embellishment kit, and die cuts from the January main kit. I also pick out some chipboard shape stickers which are included in the January embellishment kit, and chipboard words and phrases stickers which you can find in the January main kit. Finally, I add a bow and dots from the mini puffy stickers and puffy dots pack, which is included in the general embellishment kit. I really like how the layout turned out, and I hope you like it too and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me today.